Good morning students. Next we are going to discuss about relation. So generally we know that what's the meaning of relation. Relation means we have to some family related, one family related to another family, that is called the relation. This is the general meaning. The same thing only in a mathematics also. Let A and B be any two non-empty set. So A and B, already I told what's the meaning of non-empty. Non-empty means already I told something elements is there, that is called the non-empty. So A relation R from A to B. A relation R from A to B. So A is the one set and B is the one set. So A to B is A is related to B. So that is the called the relation. That is called the relation. So A is related to B is the subset of A cross B satisfying some specified condition. So every time you have to take the A cross B product. Cross product we are taken. So that is A is related to B under some specified condition. Like that is the if X belongs to set A is related to Y belongs to set B. So X belongs to set A means Y belongs to set B. So X belongs to set A is related to Y belongs to B. Like that is the X is a relation of Y. X is a relation of Y. Then we write as X is related Y. If and only if X comma Y belongs to R. X comma Y belongs to R. So listen. Again I will say A and B be two non-empty set. So every time we have to take the cross product, Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay. So A is related to B means some A is related to B is a subset of A cross B. A cross B means A is a Cartesian product of B satisfying some specified conditions. So like that is there. So the element X is belongs to A and the element Y is belongs to B means X and Y is the relation only now. So A and B is a relation. Then X is a set A belongs to set A. Y is set belongs to set B. Then A and B is a relation means X and Y also relation. Okay. Then we write X related to Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. Belongs to R. Here we are going to see one example. See that this is a set A. This is set B. This is set B. So set A what they are contained? Set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is they are given the names Madhi, Arul, John, like that they are given. So set A 1 is related to Madhi. 2 is related to Arul. 3 is related to John. 4 is related to Madhi. And 5 is don't have anything. Okay. 5 don't have any relation between A to B. Okay. Like that we have to 1 is related to Madhi. So this one cross product we are taken means how we are taken 1 comma Madhi, 1 comma Arul, 1 comma John. Next 2 comma Madhi, 2 comma Arul, 2 comma John. 3 comma Madhi, 3 comma Arul, 3 comma John. Like that is there. So 1 comma Madhi is the one of the subset of A cross B. Is it correct or not? So listen, every time you are taken, listen I will tell. 1 comma Madhi. Here, next. 1 comma Arul. Next. 1 comma John. Next. 2 comma Madhi. Next. 2 comma Arul. Next 2 comma John. Next 3 comma Madhi. 3 comma Arul. 3 comma John. Next 4 comma Madhi. 4 comma Arul. 4 comma John. Like this is that is the order per A cross B Cartesian product we found. So listen, 1 is related to Madhi, 2 is related to Arul, 3 is related to John. So 1 is related to Madhi is here. Okay. Next 2 is Arul, 2 comma Arul is here. Okay. Next 3 comma John is here. Okay. 4 comma Madhi is here. So this is the one of the subset of. Subset means inside. This A cross B, already we found that. Within that, we have to take one relation. Yeah, so this is the one of the subset of A cross B under some specified conditions. That is called the relation. That is called the relation. Okay, so here what are all we are given? This is called the domain. So which one and all we are given? This one A related to. So what are all is in A, that is called domain. So what are all having the related, that is called the range and also is called the codomain. So domain means what are all domain? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only had a relation here. So 5 is don't have the relation. So what are all domain here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the domain. So what are all answers you have got it? 1 to Madhi, 2 to Arul, 3 to John, 4 to Madhi. Only Madhu, Arul, John only has a range. So what is the codomain? Codomain is range and both are equal but only one different. So listen here. Suppose here another one name is the what's the Sasi. So Sasi don't have the any relation. Sasi don't have the any relation. So here what is the codomain value? Codomain means what are all in B. Set B, that is the codomain. So Madhi, Arul, John, Sasi. 4 also codomain. But range, what are all having the related, that is called the range. So range only here Madhi, Arul, John. Why we are not including Sasi? Sasi don't have the any related to the set A. Okay, that's all students. This is the basic definition of relation and codomain, domain and range. Thank you students.